big medium-sized update on the upstairs, new kitchen, new bath, new flooring, patch and paint. Open up this wall right here so that there's a big kitchen living area. All right, guys, we're here at one of the properties we just acquired for one of our clients and investors. This is the upstairs. I'll show you the downstairs in a minute. This house is already a legal duplex. And again, that's really semantics. Our clients are going to pull permits, gut the basement, bring everything up to code. Whether it's to code today or not, everything will be brought up to code. Really what changes here, because it's already legal, is that we don't have to worry about rezoning. It's already zoned as the secondary suite. So that piece and the parking will be what we get with buying a legal duplex already. But everything else, it's a standard recipe. Big medium-sized update on the upstairs, new kitchen, new bath, new flooring, patch and paint. Open up this wall right here so that there's a big kitchen living area. And then downstairs full gut. So it's the same recipe. We just save on some parking and some zoning. We don't have to worry about those things in this particular place. Other than that, it's the same recipe over and over. This is the stack of cards for this particular property. The spring market is crazy right now, but this is when it's more important than ever to keep your investor hat on, watching your numbers. Don't chase deals that don't make sense. Move fast. This is the recipe, right? This is how we get our investors good properties, even in a market like this. Okay, this is the entrance to the basement. This house is unique in that it's already a legal duplex. As you can see, very rough downstairs, wasn't well cared for, which is perfect for our investors. They get to purchase this property and not worry about the rezoning aspect of it. But obviously this basement will be gutted, everything brought up to code, fully functional layout so that it is very livable. The space is kind of rejuvenated, brought right back to life. So this is an ideal scenario for us in that we're able to purchase it for a good price because it's in rough shape, but we're going to gut all this anyways. So the work we were going to plan to do anyways is the same, where we get some upside on places like this for our investors, is that the purchase price, because it's in rough shape, drops. So same reno, less purchase is really that winning recipe. So this is this layout in the basement that our clients, we just won this deal for them. Yeah, so the ROI on this, the lot is a great big footprint. The ROI is going to be really strong for them on this place. All right. Thanks for watching. After years of training, consulting, and strategizing with investors, one thing becomes very, very clear, and that is there's a one-to-one correlation between clarity and focus and results. For investors who have clarity and focus, their results are not only faster, but they're better. And for those who don't have clarity and focus, they struggle. They struggle to produce results. They struggle to make steps toward what they're trying to achieve because what they're trying to achieve isn't crystal clear for them. If you don't have that clarity and focus today, reach out, we can help. We have the tools and the systems to be able to flesh out those goals, flesh out that clarity of market and strategy and the approach to get you from point A to point B faster in the most expedited path possible. And where we don't have the tools, we have developed strategic partnerships with people that we're happy to introduce you to help gain clarity and focus. That is the #1 linchpin that we see with investors. And thank you for watching. Some people have reached out in appreciation of the content and asked how they can support. There's a very simple mechanism to be able to do that. If you would like, share this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. These are all things that help us propagate our content, help get our content out to more investors, and we would be hugely appreciative of that. Thanks again for watching.